Well, finally, the backyard is completely done. It's been about maybe 6 months or so since it has been finalized, done, and we've settled in. So we've got most of the furniture is done and the outdoor landscaping is all completed. The lighting is done as well. So I figured I'd walk you through a quick rundown of how it looks now versus where it was before. So in the beginning of the video, you'll see all of the before in the yard and the front as well. And I'm gonna do a little walkthrough in the dark, well, semi-dark, so you can see it with all the outdoor lights. and to share our channel with all of your friends. We look forward to hearing what you think about the backyard as well, and hopefully we will have more videos from